In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete direct messages in Slack. So, whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply trying to manage your conversations better, this process is incredibly straightforward and will only take a few moments of your time. Let's begin by heading over to Slack. If you haven't already, open your browser or the app on your device. Once Slack is up on your screen, it's time to log in. You can do this either by entering your email and password or by signing in with your Google or Apple account. Choose whichever method you're most comfortable with. Logging in using these accounts can make the process quicker, especially if you frequently use those services. With Slack open and your credentials entered, the next step is to select your preferred workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you choose the one where you need to delete messages. Each workspace is separate, and the messages you delete will only affect that specific environment. Now, you have the option to open Slack in your browser, or you can choose to use the desktop app. The choice is yours, and both platforms offer a similar experience, so use whichever feels more convenient for you. Once in the workspace, navigate to the specified channel or direct message conversation containing the messages you wish to delete. Click on it to open up the conversation. For every message you want to discard, you'll need to find the ellipsis, or those three little dots located in the message options. Clicking on these dots will unveil a list of actions you can perform on that message. Among these options, you'll find the Delete Message function. Click it to proceed. At this point, Slack will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is crucial because it prevents accidental deletions. Carefully consider whether you truly want to delete the message, as this action cannot be undone. Once you're sure, select Delete to finalize the action. As simple as that, the message is now removed from the conversation. Remember, managing your messages effectively can help keep your workspace organized and reduce clutter. It's always a good idea to routinely audit your messages and delete any that are no longer relevant. Thank you for watching. By following these steps, you should be able to confidently delete any unwanted messages in Slack, making your digital communications cleaner and more navigable. See you next time for more helpful tips and guides.